I think you should to meet my staff first because I want to meet someone outside. After I have done my work, I come quickly to discuss your problem lah.
Okay. Excuse me, I would like to complain about my phone that I sent here a week ago, and you promised me it'd be ready within 3 days, but I didn't get any update until now, and I'm really upset about it. I really need it for work.
I'm very sorry, sir. I understand your concern. Let me check our system. It seems your phone is still in process. And yes, it's overdue. I truly apologize for the delay.
This is disappointing me. I've already paid 100 ringgit for deposit. If you couldn't fix it on time, you just tell me, you know?
Yes, he's right. I've been waiting 2 weeks, you know, and you don't reply my chat and you don't call me.
Wait!
You!
Wait!
What?
Calm down. We will fix this problem. Sit. Hello, good afternoon. I am Faiz, the supervisor here. I just received the report about the complaint. First of all, I sincerely apologize for the delay and lack of communication for our side. We can take this seriously. Okay.
I just want to know, can I get my phone today or not?
Okay, I personally speak with my technician. It can be done today. We offer a temporary replacement phone and provide a 50 ringgit discount for the inconvenient cost.
Okay? That is a good step. But please be more transparent next time. Customer always right, you know?
Yes, that's right.
We currently improve our customer notification system via SMS and WhatsApp. Every update will reach you in real time moving forward. Thank you for your feedback.
Alright, I hope you really mean it. I will still trust your service, but next time, don't do it again.
Thank you for understanding, sir. Your feedback will help us improve our service. Thank you.
Okay, I will be waiting for your update. Thank you for listening to us.
Yeah, and I'm also sorry because we made a scene just then.
Steady bro, that is a big problem.
So we are one Malaysia.
Okay.
Okay.